Hi, this is Jesseline, and this video is still about proportional relationships. So if you don't know anything about proportional relationships or graphs or how to determine if it's proportional, please go ahead and watch those videos previously. But we're going to compare proportional relationships. One's written in table value and one's written in graph value. The graph value is really easy to determine if it's proportional because remember, if it goes through the point 0, 0, it is a proportional. This does. We can also determine the slope pretty easily. I'm going to pick a point here and I'm going to pick the point here. We notice, well, look at your axis though, because if you look at your axis, this skips up to 4, which means that this point is 2, not 1, 2. But over here, it skips to 2, so we know this is 1. So your axes don't go up at the same. This one, the x-axis is going up by 1. The y-axis is going up by 2. So technically, we're going up 2 and over 1, up 2 and over 1, because the y-axis is going up by 2, up 2 over 1. So this is my constant of proportionality, or aka slope, is 2. So my equation here is y equals 2x. Remember, because we just have this part because the y-intercept is 0. So we don't need anything. And then I think it tells us that it's automatically proportional. It says Winston compares the heights of 2 plants to see which plant grows more per day. The table shows the height of plant 1 over 5 days. The graph shows the height of plant 2 over 10 days. Winston says that since plant 1 grows 6 centimeters per day and plant 2 grows 4 centimeters per day, plant 1 grows more per day. Well, we already know plant 2 does not grow 4 centimeters per day. It grows 2 centimeters per day because we already did the we already found the slope. So now we have to do the slope here. So the slope here from a table is we can do the change in y's over the change in x's. So I'm going to pick the point 26 and the point 39, and I'm going to do my change in y's. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So my slope here is 3. So my equation, I can write it y equals 3x. So my slope here is 3. My slope here is 2. So the one that is growing faster is plant 1. Plant 1's growing faster because 3 centimeters per day. What Winston didn't do is he just looked at here, 6, and then he just looked at the first number here is 4. But that doesn't mean that it's growing that much per day. You have to find the slope to see how much it is growing per day. Thank you for watching.